Hey, traders, it's Steve with the Stock Index Trading Room. I need to get my screen up here. I believe you can see it. I'm going to go really, really fast. On this, uh, that's the simplest pattern recognition that I can share with you. We have people come into a room and leave and go, well, it can't be this easy. It can't be this simple. And after 30 plus years of Rob Mitchell working on all of this stuff and improving it, I can tell you our end is very simple. Our end is very easy. Okay. We're going to show you one simple little pattern. Um, and I want to credit Mark Williams from Buckhead, Atlanta, for drilling this into us. He kept saying, hey, this is good. This is good. I'm trading this. And sure enough, it is. So this makes it legal, and I'm almost through, believe it or not. More information, visit our website, questions, comments, shoot us an email. This is, we're going to combine valuation, trader oscillator overvalued. You can see typically when it gets up there, it goes down, and it goes down further when we're on our red background and when we're on our green background. So we like to trade the longer side of moves. And so we stick to that. Overvalued order flow strength. The order flow strength is designated by trader oscillator advanced firing a single bar through our midpoint line. We don't trade that, but we have a lot of people that follow that, probably some people that trade it when we're below our midpoint line. Which way does the market tend to go? Down. Okay. But what we're going to do is we're going to put two ideas together to get double the maximum benefit or success from what we're doing. Indicators, strategies, concepts, approval, everything that we use comes from World Cup trading champion Rob Mitchell. And he's designed all of this. If you're not familiar with Rob, plenty of information on his success. You can Google him. And we basically trade his approach that made him a World Cup trading champion. Okay, so what are we doing? We're looking for, and when I'm working individually, people say, can you find a green dot above the purple line? Yes, I can. Can you find a green dot below the purple line? A red dot below the purple line? Yes, I can. Can you see this orange line and determine whether it stopped short of or fired through this white midpoint line? Yes, I can. Congratulations. Okay, congratulations. Rob has worked tirelessly uh, over 3 decades. So this visually we can see in an instant, right? We don't have to do all of the stuff. Now, market opens where I'm in Wyoming now. Market opens and we don't have a lot of order flow strength, back and fill, back and fill, back and fill. You may or may not have wanted this entry. It was around the open while the market is trying to settle in and large accounts are filling in. That's up to you. We're going to mark everything. That's all we do. And if we have something that says green dot above through the purple line and a midpoint line, and we test that as it is, and it is successful, then you can use it as a technique, a strategy. You can use it to reinforce other ideas that you might have, but it's valid. It's valid due to Rob's work. So what are we looking for? Again, we like red background, right? Because the market tends to go a lot further on a red background. That's really common sense. So above, yes, through the midpoint line. Oh, almost. I think I'll mark that. No, we don't do that. That's dishonest and y'all deserve better. People tell me there are all kinds of stuff out there. I've not seen it, but people tell me, oh, there's all kinds of stuff out there that are deceiving and misleading traders. Y'all deserve the truth. So, and that's what we do. Green dot above the purple line through the midpoint line, yes. Not a very good trade there, in our opinion. Really not a very good trade here, in our opinion, but it is an entry, okay? So we keep looking. Green dot, red dot below the purple line. Yes, it is through the midpoint line. No, it is not. I'm not going to put that in. I say, well, it's close. I'm not going to do that. Why? People go, why don't you do that? Because our stuff doesn't need, quote, dressing up. Red, green above, boom. Yeah, here we go. Right? There we go. So and that's it. That's it. We're above and we go through. We're above and we go through. Green background. We get wigged out of this one. We can't help that, right? Sometimes they come early. Occasionally they'll come late. Here's one. Oh, we wouldn't have gotten that. You look here. Number came out, I guess. I don't know what's going on here, but you can see this. When I tried to mark that, it moved it over. It said the market's going too fast to be able to trade that. For all you counter trend people, there's a beautiful entry going the other way. Green background, don't do that. Green background, don't do that. Will you occasionally, if you sell it enough times on the way up, will you occasionally get one? Yes, you will. Uh, we can do better than that for you, and we do. Okay. I get a lot of this, you know, yeah, that's not really qualified. So I don't put that in. My filter for this is that if it is questionable and it wins a large trade, I don't put it in. If it wins a small trade or loses, I put it in. Why do I do that? Because when I share this with you, okay, this is a trade markers recap. When I share this with you, I want it to be understated, okay? Our profit factor is 500%. That means this is for 2 points, 3 points, and 5 points. We're 500% likely to profit on each trade we take, okay? Our expectancy is $273 every time it fires. One of the things people have noticed is we used to do 1.2 points, 5 points, 4, 8, and 20. With everything that we have done with this new level of awareness that we're trading, 4 and 8 were the same, 8 and 12 are almost the same. So it didn't make sense to trade for scalp for 1 point if 2 points were equally successful. So what we've done with this is we've taken pretty good results for our members over the last 7 years. And because we went from 4 to 8, 8 to 12, we've increased profit in the first two targets by 50%. So whatever number we're looking at in here is substantially larger now because our entry methods tend to be restricted to where we have what? Extreme valuation. Extreme valuation, as we, in our title, we're going to combine, I'm going to get this over here and get out of here. Extreme valuation, because we are trading hidden order flow strength with a price bar, and then we're going to add extreme valuation, where we have both something too expensive relative to sell, too cheap relative to buy, and then order flow strength gives us a 92 or 3% probability that the market is going to continue in our favor. So that's what we're doing. That's what we've been working on the past, I don't know, year or so in our room. But this is a real simple, just through the extreme valuation through the midpoint line, and you can see our members are having a blast trading this. So if you want to come and join us, do that. Let us know, hey, I'm new here and I'm interested in your quad. I'm interested in your in and out. I'm interested in this signal, and we'll start marking those for you, and we'll teach you and train you how you can trade that like a master trader. So on behalf of World Cup trading champion Rob Mitchell, Mark Williams from Buckhead, who kept saying, Steve, this red through two is really good. And it is. And but our simplest recognition, can you see that above that? Yes, I can. Do you see that going through that? Yes, I can. I can trade that. So on behalf of Rob and Mark and all the world-class members in the Stuck Index Trading Room, this is Steve. Happy trading. I hope you are reaching your goals. If you feel like that we can help you do that, please, please, please come and let us do that. Would be honored and happy to.